Beginning in December, Alliance Health will be the bridge to care for mental illness, substance use disorders, and intellectual developmental disabilities for those that are insured by Medicaid or have no health insurance. If you're new to Alliance, we want you to know that we see healthcare differently than some. Every day, we walk alongside the people we serve on their chosen path to recovery and self-determination. We believe in healthcare that concentrates on the whole person and the coordination of services that address real-life issues. We have a history of partnerships with community organizations, providers, members, and families.
What I've seen thus far of Alliance is that they've been committed to partnership and committed to communication, because I think communication is key to a strong community and strong partners. And I believe that we are off to a great start.
Alliance has been great about reaching out to us, asking about what the gaps in the community are. They've been talking to us about service provision, how to best reach certain populations. They've been very concerned about equity and access, making sure there's no disproportionate services that are missed for certain populations, so they've been blitzing the community.
Well, partnerships are so critically important when we're trying to solve problems, and I think, Alliance comes to the table with a long history of being able to work collaboratively with everybody in the community in addition to all their respective counties, and so we are really excited about the culture that Alliance brings in terms of wanting to work collaboratively in a partnership way with community.
Working together, Alliance continues to push the frontier of change and plays a vital role in shaping the future of healthcare delivery.
Yeah, I think one of the unique things we're trying to do in this realignment with Alliance is making sure that community education and outreach is at the forefront of everything we do. We want customers and beneficiaries to know where they need to go to get what types of help and services. We also want to have even more availability and more access to many of the things that perhaps in the past they haven't been able to get access to.
The other initiative I think that Alliance is engaging in is providing housing support for individuals that have behavioral health needs. We have some strong partnerships in this space, but now with Alliance providing some of those supportive services needed in order for folks to be housed and to stay housed, I think is, again, another step in the right direction for our partnership moving forward.
Well, I really think a lot of the things that we've been talking about are some of our more disproportionately impacted communities, particularly our kids in custody, child protective service cases, and where we need placements quickly, appropriate placements quickly, and we feel like Alliance is really, really well positioned to help us solve those problems.
What I've experienced is every time I've called the CEO, every time I've called staff at Alliance, they have been open, they've been available, and they've been responsive. I would say to the community to give Alliance an opportunity to show them the same thing that they've shown me. Every community partner that I've talked to, from our court partners, from our other behavioral health partners, I've heard the same thing, that Alliance has been open, Alliance has been available and very responsive to the community, and I believe they will do the same thing for the residents that we will jointly serve for years to come.
Well, because I think it's going to be better. We know it's going to be better. Alliance does a really good job of engaging community and really wanting to reach out to as many people as possible, and we really encourage everyone to work with Alliance, reach out to them, and give them the opportunity to show how successful they can be in connecting people and families to services.
By forging stronger bonds across disciplines, acting with a collaborative spirit in all we do, we were able to make a more meaningful impact in our communities, helping people live healthier and happier lives. That's the Alliance way.